Why it's so important to keep your trades until your targets and do not close before, even if you're scared, how to handle those emotions. Let me show to you 2 examples of my beautiful trades, awesome entries, but before I scared, I closed too early, and instead of making several thousand USD, I ended like with small profit. Friends, my name is Yuri. I'm order flow trader, co-founder of BikoTrading Academy. We help traders to grow, become profitable, successful. Subscribe if you feel that it's important for you. Let me show to you this example. Beautiful trade on Solana. We took short. That trade, have a look description. That trade was against the trend. I understand because when you take trades against trend, it must be with small targets. And I saw beautiful confirmation in footprint. I saw significant volume at important level 14. Quite often price bounced from such volume really beautifully. And I took short. Additional confirmation was volume profile indicator. I prepared for you free PDFs that you can learn about this strategy entirely for free. Below there will be link, download, start making money. I took a trade, have a look here. My entry point was at 13,905, like really tiny stop loss. Beautiful trade. And because I scared, I closed it. And after that, it dropped by nearly 6 or 7%. Like it would be 1 to 8 or 1 to 9 risk reward. And second example, it was on the previous week on a Doge coin. I feel badly, wanted to rest. We also took a trade at big volume profile, and also at that big volume profile, significant volume appeared in a footprint. Both of those trades, they are beautiful as they are according to my trading strategy. But because I open a chart and I look at the chart whole entire day, I look how price goes up and down, I became emotionally unstable. And if I would keep these 2 trades, both of them would bring to me, like Dogecoin, it would be several thousand of profit. Have a look. When we took this trade with our community, I shared this trade also to our community members. And have a look. Price pumped 15% without any pullback. It wouldn't even take my break even if I would move stop loss into break even. I didn't need to close it, only to break even, and it would go into my favor. Why this stuff is so bad? Because after that, you can take another trade that will take your stop loss, and you can become emotionally unstable. I had it many times. What should you do in such case, and what should I do? And like in 90% case I do. If you're scared or you feel emotionally unstable and price in your favor, book part of profit. Example for you of these trades that we took with community members. Short on BTC. It's scalp short, didn't book quite a lot, just took what is ours and went out. And have a look. As you can see here, I start closing by parts. And every time when I close by part, I become emotionally free. I don't care. Honestly, here, when price reached this area, I already booked half. And I made 3 times that I risked initially. And for me, it was no matter what would be after that. With a Dogecoin, the same happened here. I also, as you can see, closed by parts. Yes, price after that dropped more, but who knows how far I took what is I took 1 to 5 risk reward and enjoy a profit. That's why, my friend, it is my summary for you. If you took beautiful trade, keep it until your target or you see reversal signal. In other cases, close the platform because it won't help you. And at this moment right now, subscribe and watch this lesson about the strategies that I showed to you entirely for free. I will show to you several examples how I took, why I took, and how it will be profitable for you.